Tina is shopping. She doesn't have much cash because she doesn't like carrying coins and banknotes around. She's someone who prefers to pay not in cash but by credit card or debit card. Tina has a bank account which her father opened for her. Every month, her father, the lawyer, does a bank transfer with online banking into her bank account. Lucky Tina! She doesn't use checks, but sometimes uses a prepaid card to buy stuff on the internet. Look, she's been shopping for ages and has loads of bags to carry home. Here's Fred. He's offering to carry Tina's bags. Fred doesn't have a bank account and never pays by credit card or debit card. When he has the money, he pays in cash, although recently his mum sent a prepaid card to help him out. Tina knows Fred because he sometimes helps her dad with delivering important letters which contain checks. Tina's dad trusts Fred. Now, Fred is helping Tina put the bags in the car and she's giving him a banknote to say thank you. Fred says thanks and waves. Goodbye, Tina.